Hello guys, it's me, Abir. Today I will show you the payment proof of my recent video. If you still didn't watch the video, then check my description. Now you can see that I have more than $3.5 and the minimum withdrawal is $2. You can withdraw here using your AraiPay. If you don't already have an AraiPay account, then create one and link it to the app. You can transfer money from AraiPay to a bank account. Pair, perfect money. Now I am going to bind my account. After that, simply click on the amount and then on withdraw. It pays instantly, as evidenced by the fact that I had $0 in my AraiPay account before withdrawing, and now I have $2. The app is 100% trusted, and it pays instantly. If you didn't watch the last video, go and watch it. Hopefully, you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. If you face any problems, you can tell me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I will meet you with another new video. Till then, take care and say goodbye.